Okay, so before we go on to the last property, what we're going to do is just check your answers for that problem that was on the previous page. So if you look here, you would have distributed this -2 to all of them, giving you 6 to the -2nd power, x to the -6 times -2, y to the -7 times -2, and then z to the 0 times -2. All right, so the 6 to the -2 would be on the bottom, 6 squared, which is 36. I'm going a little bit faster since we're just checking our answer. Here would be a +12, so we're going to leave it at the top. Y is going to be a +14, so that would be left at the top. And z would be 0. Z to the 0 power is 1, so it is just left out completely, unless you wanted to do ×1 for place saver. That is up to you. But there is your final answer. All right, the last power, we did do a little bit, I believe, last unit. I believe we did a little bit last unit. Sorry for the noise in the background. So here again, it's the distributive property. It's going to go both to the top and the bottom. So this would have been 3 squared over 5 squared, which would make that 3 to the 2nd power is 9 and 5 to the 2nd power is 25. Again, notice these are not coefficients because they are tied to the exponent. Same thing goes for this example here. It's just this 2 needs to go everywhere. So that's going to be 2 to the 2nd power, 5 times 2, and then b to the 7 times 2. Remember, power property is multiplying. It is a distributive property. 2 to the 2nd is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. And 7 times 2 is 14. And then that would be your answer. The next examples I want to try, hopefully we have time for this video to get through one more, because as you notice, we're going to have to do something with this negative power. So I want to show that, and then this last one will be the you try on this page after you watch this video. So the 3, if it goes to everywhere, is going to go to the coefficient of 3, so that's 3 to the 3rd power. A to the -4 times 3. And then the 3 also goes down to the bottom, and that is 7 times 3. So first we start with 3 to the 3rd power. That's 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Make sure you're using your calculator and you're not just doing 3 times 3. Now, -4 times 3 is a -12. Where do negatives go? Bottom, correct. Good job. So we're going to write the A and make it positive down at the bottom. B is 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. It is on the bottom. It is not negative, so it doesn't have to move. If it was negative, I would just move it to the top and make it positive. But in this case, we were able to leave it. All right, let's see if you could try the next one, and then I will have the answer for you on the last slide. I'll do a quick little last video showing you how to do that one out before I give you an assignment. I hope you're understanding these rules. If you have any questions, please use the Flipgrid to ask me any questions. Thank you.